hope you all enjoyed that not sexy at all intro. But the first thing I'm doing is taking the Urban Decay Primer Potion and I'm spreading that all over my eyes. The next thing I'm going to be taking is the Wet n Wild Creme Brulee eyeshadow on this big fluffy brush. And I'm going to be setting that primer into place. Then I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild Hooked on Vinyl palette and I'm going to be taking the transition shade of this yellowy orange shade and I'm going to be putting that all in my crease. And I'm going to go into the shade a couple of times just so I can get the intensity that I want from this color. And then I am going to be taking this blue greenish crease shade, but I'm actually going to be applying this on the lid. And I'm going to be going in with a fluffy brush. Then I'm going to switch to a flat brush. And then I'm going to switch back to my blending brush. That way I can blend out the harsh edges that I created. Then I'm going to be taking the orange transition shade again, and I'm going to be popping that over top of where I had it before because I want the intensity of the color to show through because this color is so beautiful. Then I'm going to be taking the gold eyelid shade out of this palette and I am going to be putting that right in the center of the lid so I can give myself more of a halo effect to my eye. That way that I am actually using this shade in the palette and I love this look that I've created. And then I am going to be taking the brow bone shade. This is a soft white matte color and I'm going to be applying this in the inner corner of the eye and then I'm also going to be applying this in the brow area just to highlight my brow bone. And then I'm going to be taking the ColourPop BANGIN Brunette brow pencil and I'm going to be applying that just the basic shape of my eyebrows. Then I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. This is a newer mascara that came out. It's not the greatest mascara, but it's not the worst mascara I've ever tried. This one is actually pretty good and it has a nice intense black to it. I'm going to be going in with the CATRICE Cosmetics Prime and Fine Primer. I've been using this primer for a little while and I'm actually really enjoying it. It is a water-based primer. It reminds me a lot of the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I'm thinking about doing a comparison video for you guys so you can see the difference between them. Please leave me a like down below if you want to see that or a comment too. But I am going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. This is in the shade Light Medium Neutral, and I am going to be applying this with a fluffy brush all over my face. I really enjoy this foundation as one of my favorites as well, but I have been kind of steering away from it here lately because I feel like it's been a little bit thick on my skin, but I still really do love this. Then I'm going to be taking the beloved Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair Neutral, and I'm going to be applying this where I normally apply my highlighter, and I'm going to be taking the Real Techniques Triangle Concealer Brush to blend it all out. Then I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder, and I'm going to be applying that all over my face. This is one of my favorite powders at the moment, and it's just doing an amazing job at making my face look like a baby. And then I'm going to be going in with my beloved Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to be going in with the lightest shade on this e.l.f. contouring brush or fan brush, and I'm just going to be applying this where I would normally contour my face and just blend it out. This stuff is a dream. It works so well. This palette is so loved by me, even though it does not look like it at all. Then I am going to be going in with the ColourPop highlighter in Lunch Money. This is my all-time favorite highlighter, guys. I'm going to be going in with this Luxie Travel Size Stipple brush. I absolutely love this brush for applying this highlighter. It just blends everything out so well, and you can build it up. Then I'm going to be going in with the Physicians Formula Mosaic Blush in the shade Blushing Peach. This is a super old blush, but it is a beautiful blush. Then I'm going to be going in with my favorite lipsticks right now, and these are the Maybelline Stay Matte Ink lipsticks, and this is in the shade Loyalist. This is absolutely a beautiful shade, but it does not look right on my lips without a lip pencil. So then I go in with the Lord & Berry lip liner, and this is in the shade Nude. I got this in an Ipsy bag a while back, and it just completes the look. That is the end of this video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video on your social medias. And until next time, bye guys.